What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about the overall cryptocurrency market and Shiba Inu, of course. Before I continue, I do want to mention that I am not a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I am in. And my goodness, today, what a day, what a day. The altcoin rally, could barely talk, is on fire. Ethereum up almost 11% on the day. Cardano up 3.5%, and guys, when they panic, we pounce. It's been our strategy ever since the beginning. We haven't really been focused on support lines and the technical analysis necessarily, but when we see the market bleed on no apparent reason, the Bitcoin fear and greed index, there's a lot of greed in the market right now. So when we see a sell-off without true fear or any negative sentiments, that's manipulation. So that's why when they panic, we pounce. We were buying Ethereum, we bought more Cardano on the dip. We even bought some more, other altcoins as well. But the big things that we want to talk about today, Shiba Inu up 5% on the day. You gotta love it, folks. You have to love seeing this kind of price action. So again, if we look at the chart, we dropped to 669 Satoshi units yesterday. But look at the chart, folks. Slowly but surely, we continue to rise as more people realized that it was truly panic. And a lot of the thing that we were seeing was pure manipulation. But now more and more individuals are coming back in. So today what we're doing on this video is we're confronting Coinbase. Coinbase, this video is dedicated to you because I think that, it feels to me that we are being almost toyed with in terms of getting Shiba Inu relisted on Coinbase. So we're going to talk about some things and address some things as well. But before I do so, I do want to mention, and for all of you that are currently looking to trade SHIB at zero fees, make sure you click the link below for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 when you deposit your first $100 onto your Webull brokerage account. So if you're part of the SHIB Army, make sure you show love to Webull for actually listing us and not, playing games with the community. So a big shout out to Webull. I want to salute Webull for what they've done for this community. So big shout out to them. But if you haven't already, make sure you click the link in the description and sign up. And also there's a link down there for BlockFi. So if you want to get your up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin, make sure you do that too. Now, we could look at the technicals for a second, but first and foremost, I want to talk about Coinbase. So Coinbase. Shiba Inu was put on Coinbase custody. The whale portion of Coinbase's entire ecosystem and platforms. So in terms of exchanges, Coinbase custody is the one that requires people to have a $10 million portfolio or bigger to invest in certain crypto assets. Okay, understandable. CLV, MASK, and SHIB were all listed on the custody platform as of August 2nd, 2021. A month has passed since then, and we have no news or no even hints about a relisting of Shiba Inu on Coinbase Pro and then Coinbase's actual platform for the retail investor like you and I that are probably watching this video. Coinbase, you told us that you're experiencing technical issues that will temporarily delay the launch of SHIB on Coinbase Pro. Understandable. Much respect the fact that you gave us information about that. At this time, we are disabling deposits of SHIB. Withdrawals are still available. This was actually something that was published on June of 2021, right in the middle of the month. Since then, the entire rest of June went by. The entire month of July went by. The entire month of August went by. So what's going on? We need transparency and we need updates. We just want to know. I've sent emails out, numerous emails without any response. I want to know what's happening because we just want to know the transparent truth. If there's a delay due to actual technical difficulties, why have they not been adjusted? Solana, SOL, was one of the crypto assets that you listed recently back in June, but it was delisted a month before that in May. So it took 1 month to see it get relisted on your platform. So I'm wondering, and so is the entire community of 600,000 investors, why in the world have we still not seen Shiba Inu get relisted on Coinbase? That's point number one. And we already mentioned the other points, and that is it's already listed on your institutional platform. So if there were technical difficulties that were addressed on the institutional side of things, why can't they be addressed for the small dogs like me, for the smaller fish like the other investors? Because again, as a publicly traded company that's trying to democratize the trading space to allow individuals like myself who might not have the biggest portfolio, who don't have $10 million to trade with, the ability to trade crypto assets including Shiba Inu. Now, let's go into the technical analysis, because maybe there was some concern about, the community and everything, but you need to understand, Coinbase, that the Shiba Inu community, it's been ever growing. If you look at the last 3 months of this crypto asset, in terms of holder growth, went from 474,000 right around the time you listed Shiba Inu on your Pro platform and then delisted. And since then, we've gained over 200,000 holders and counting. This community is strong, the ecosystem is wonderful, and the things that are on the pipeline and the fact that the developers are continuing to deliver. They're executing every single time they've told us something, it's happened. They've delivered on everything on the pipeline. Go on Shiba Inu token website, and I'm sure you have a dedicated team for listing new crypto assets on your platform. So, just want to make sure that you guys are aware of what this cryptocurrency has, and I'm hoping that this video reaches at least one Coinbase member. In addition, we can talk about the technical analysis. So Shiba Inu's price stops bleeding as Shiba eyes a 25% upswing. Shiba Inu's price, again, this is according to FX Street. Big shout out to them for having some fantastic TA on their website. So it seems to have cauterized the blood and shows signs of resuscitating. I love it. They're talking in healthcare terms as it bounced off a crucial support line. Again, we know around 600 to 650 Satoshi units, we have strong support, and thankfully we did not break that. If the buying pressure continues to increase, Shiba Inu's price has dropped 33% since August 17 swing and 975 Satoshi units. This descent sliced through multiple support barriers and finally found support right around 654 Satoshis. So guys, for the ones that are looking for potential entry points, right now, in my opinion, is we don't know exactly what's happening. One catalyst, like a listing from Coinbase, like a listing from Robinhood, the official listing from Webull, right? We know we're undergoing beta testing and it's coming to an end soon. But the fact is that all of these listings will potentially cause an potential upswing and, again, a sentiment breakout, if you will, not so much a technical breakout. But in terms of the chart, when we look at the overview of how things are looking, make myself a little smaller. Right now, we found that level of support 654 Satoshis. So we have to break through some of these barriers on the way, 720, 750, and 811. So we have a lot of room for growth. We know there are some very strong resistance lines at 1,000 and at 1,100. So day by day, hour by hour, what we need to monitor is breaking these levels of resistance. At 726 Satoshi units right now, we've already broken the 721 Satoshi unit resistance. So as the overall market continues to climb back up, I really do believe that Shiba Inu will also follow in suit. A big shout out to everybody that has been supporting the channel. So if you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button right at the bottom. I think it's towards this way. So yeah, if you haven't already, please do so. Also smash that like button so we can get this video out to those who need to see it, including the Coinbase team. So again, Coinbase, let us know what's happening. The bull market is here to stay, and Shiba Inu's community is stronger than ever before. Look at this. We have over 1 million people that have it on their watch list that are potential investors waiting for it to get listed on a main platform or brokerage or centralized exchange like Coinbase. Do your due diligence, do your own research, and identify whether or not we truly deserve that listing. Because in my opinion, of course, I'm biased because I am an investor. I think 110% we have potential to grow, and this community is just getting started. Thank you so much for tuning in, everyone. And until next time then, and I hope you Coinbase get to see this video, keep investing. Peace.